See if he can continue. They're actually looking at it real quick, so hang on. Corey Snyder and Toxic, a second-generation driver. I know he would love to take the freestyle win here. The score for him to take over is a 25. He's fired up! Ladies and gentlemen, with the score of 28, your winner Monster Truck Freestyle! Woo! It's Corey Snyder and Toxic! Corey, stay right there. I'm coming to get you. Do not move.
He is good. Between him and Bigfoot, I like.
Corey Snyder and Toxic, your winner of freestyle. Two things. Now if we add it up correctly, you won racing and freestyle. You are our overall event champion here tonight, so congratulations. Awesome freestyle. You even had some pyro in the background. That's got to be pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I know. I was a little frustrated because my hybrid was done in one corner. I was like, there's no way I'm going to keep going. They don't bring safety power for me. My different doing it. So I pulled up and I was like, get my stuff fixed real quick. You got hot in to fix it for myself. I dumped back on. I was like, I'm going to do the manager tonight.
You have a great time here tonight, Corey. Congratulations, by the way, on all the victory.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I've had a great time. Again. This is the start of the Renegade Monster Truck Tour. Shows here on the tour. And I'm super excited to be a part of it. We've got so many more places to go here in Pennsylvania. Just watch out. We'll be back next year. Turn it down. Same as this year.
How about it, fans? Give it up for your freestyle, your racing winner, and your overall event champion here tonight for the Renegade Monster Truck Tour. It's Corey Snyder and Toxic.
He is toxic gas.
Woo! What a night! What a night! It's been a pleasure being here with each and every one of you. We hope you enjoyed the show here tonight. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for spending your hard-earned dollar and your money to come here. That money you spent on this ticket and the merchandise goes back into these monster trucks. It goes back into fixing them and supporting the dream that we can do every single day. So thank you so much. We love each and every one of you. My name's Ben Matt Isbell. Thank you for letting me be your host. And we'll see you guys next year.